Friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. How are you doing? I want to believe you are very fine and okay in your respective places. Alright, it's another beautiful morning, another opportunity to get up, to get things done, to get more tasks done, to earn more profit, to earn more money. Alright, this is Last Journey Based Talk. I welcome every one of you here to this channel today. Alright, because in this channel I give out financial education. I review online investment platform and I share with you some of the ways whereby I have been making money online, and I do an explainer video on some online investment platform as well. All right, if you are new here or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do that now so that you will be continually aware whenever I upload new video, whenever I upload another financial educational content like this. Okay, and after you have subscribed, try to click on the notification bell, set it to all notification so that you'll be continually aware of the next updates for you not to miss out on my on my video about the next information. Okay, I would like to tell you that this channel is dedicated for financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, after you have watched any of the content here, you too you are expected to do your own diligent research to know if it's what you really want to do and to know if it is what you can afford. And I used to tell you that don't put all your money into online investment platform. Just ensure you are investing the little that you know you can afford, because you just need to be responsible for your action. But all investment opportunities, they are risky. Even physical investment, they are also risky, but you not taking a risk is riskier. But just take a calculated risk and don't borrow because you want to invest online. Don't use your money for basic needs because you want to invest online. So you just need to be responsible for your action, and you need to take a calculated risk. All right, so what I have to share with you, I just want to do a bit review of the current stage of ABB-ROBOTY.com. ABB-ROBOTY.com. So I'm going to tell you what is currently happening there based on my own understanding. So for that reason, quickly let me take you to the platform. Let me take you to the platform here. So this is it here. All right, so this is my own account here. As you can see, I have total income of 12,323. Today's income 349.93. So I'm just sensing a foul play in ABB-Robotic.com. They are not doing according to what they are saying anymore. So actually I stand to be corrected. But I'm just saying this based on my own observation, based on my own opinion. Actually, the platform works by you depositing a particular amount of money, which starts from 5,000 naira, purchasing a particular package, which ABB-IRB VIP1 is a list, and you can buy any of the packages from ABB VIP1 till ABB VIP10. Okay, and you are going to get up to like 20% of whatever package of whatever equipment you purchased on daily basis. For instance, that of ABB VIP1, which costs 5,000 naira, you earn 999 naira daily. You earn 999 naira, which is approximately 1,000 naira. And besides, you can even buy multiple of a particular equipment. That is, this particular 5,000 package, you can buy 2, you can buy 3, you can buy 4, and you still be earning your money. But unfortunately, let me show you my account here. Let me show you my devices. So let me show you the devices that I bought here. You can see I bought 2 IBB VIP1, 2 IBB VIP1. As you can see, 2 IBB VIP1, which cost 5,000 naira each. But unfortunately, only one, the one I bought on the 24th, is paying. Sorry, on the 26th is paying me till now, while the one I bought on the 27th is not paying till now. So one of my downline that also bought this particular one, this same VIP one on this 27th, complained of the same. So he's not getting any profit from it. It's just remain stagnant like that. So that is one. And the second thing that I also observed is that I placed a withdrawal. It's going it will get is getting in 2 days today. I placed a withdrawal of just 4,000 naira. A withdrawal of just 4,000 naira. But till now, I have not received the money in my account. So this is like a red flag, and it's like an exit scheme. So my conclusion is that as for now, don't invest in ABB-ROBOTY. That is my own advice, my own observation about this particular platform. As for now, don't invest in ABB-ROBOTY because they are not doing as they have said. They are not doing as they have said. So please and please don't invest in it for now till further information. I tried to message one of the admin on WhatsApp, but there's no response since Sunday. So, but I want you to just stay away from it for now and wait for my next information about them. So I'm very sorry for those that might have lost is a particular amount of money on this platform. As I used to say, for some online investment platform, you just learn from them, and for some online investment platform, you earn from them. So you learn from the bad ones and you earn from the good ones. That is the reason why I always tell you, don't invest more than what you can afford. Don't be greedy. And don't put your money for basic needs. Don't borrow money because you want to invest on online investment platform. Please and please, I'm begging you. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to end today. If you have any question concerning this video or any of my content on Last Week in BizTalk, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. So this is my WhatsApp number here, and this is my email address here. So feel free to browse me up. Maybe you have another video you like to, so maybe you have a particular platform that you like me to review on your behalf, or you want my views on it, so I can do that for you. All right. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family not to fall a victim of this particular platform. It's very important, very important. And if truly this video is meaningful to you, kindly give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Okay, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you. Bye for now. Meet me in the next video.